ari kubikuramo ari gutanga ari kubikira process cyangwa
I am handling here as a general manager of Mount Meru Soyco Limited, and you are welcome all the journalists for the visit of Mount Meru Soyco. And let me explain the Mount Meru Soyco what we are doing here. Actually, Mount Meru Soyco, it is started in 2010 to start building it, and then 2014 it was ready to start. And this was started actually to help the farmers to the Kayonza to produce the oil, cooking oil, which was soybean seed. So they were thinking like that, if soybean seed will grow here and they will crush the oil and then the farmer will getting benefited. That's why this factory was started. And that time in 2014 and 15, once it is started, too much soybean was growing here in Rwanda, and we were crushing here, and then it was getting out the oil and people were consuming. So it was getting some support that previously the completely oil was importing in this country. So this was supporting to the country as a economy wise. Later on in 2018-19, we have much more started another factories as a expansion plans, like another one refinery we have started here, which was 500 tons. Another one soap plant we have started here, that is during the COVID period. So during the COVID period there was a very tough scenario to start the plants. So on that situations we took the permission from RDB, Rwanda Development Board, and they allowed us that to build this project during the COVID. And then we have completed in 2019 one soap plant, which is almost 4,500 metric tons per day per month productions, and one refinery also we have commissioned here in 2021, that is 500 tons per day. So these two plants was started, and then that time you will see the COVID period, every factories was removing the peoples, but here in Soyco we were recruiting the peoples because we started new factories and we stopped completely the importation of soap which was coming from Kenya and Uganda. So those soap was flooded here. Once we started our factory, then completely we kicked out all those soaps, and now we are selling is Rwandan soaps here. So that time when 2018 it was started, these factories, that time only 120 people was working here, and currently we have 450 peoples as a permanent and casuals daily wages more than 300 plus. Almost 700 people are working in this factory. After that we have started another one factory. This is making the household items like chairs, like tubs, basins, mugs. So these items keep on coming from Tanzania, Kenya, and countries depend upon imports. So that also we have reduced, and now we are making in-house these household products, which is very helpful for the ladies, for our peoples, and this kind of products we are supplying to Congo also and here also. For oil and soaps, we are the number one. Almost 60-65% market we are covering that one. We are the leader in oil and soap both. And our soap is well accepted in the market. We are keep on avoiding to importation of the soaps. Our prices are very good. And if you will see the peoples are working very well. And we have trained from university peoples, almost 40-45 peoples we have taken in the new plastics and soap plant. If you will see during our visits, you will find how the peoples are running the plants, and these plants are completely automized plant. They are running with the computer. They are PLC and DCS plants, latest technology plants, and these people are recruited from the University of Rwanda. So these people are trained here, and now these people are running these plants successfully. If any problems are coming, then we are solving the problem as a troubleshooter. If we are failing to solve, then we are talking to the suppliers. So this way, we are keep on growing this one. And apart from that, we are making the cooking fat, that is making the breads, biscuits, this kind of items which is manufacturing with this cooking fats. So overall, if you will see, we are a growing company, and we are pushing out the importations and supporting to the country peoples, where the people can work here, like engineers, like laymen's, like lot of other peoples who is doing the graduations, they are coming here and working here. Almost 30% of my oil production we are doing exports. That is also giving support to the dollar which is coming in the country. Like dollar is the big problem in the country, but once we are doing export of our oil 30%, that is also supporting us. So currency is not going out, it is coming in. So economy is getting on the track. So a lot of things we are doing. Apart from that, we are doing the CSR. We have, you will see the peoples are playing volleyball. When the peoples are free from here, they are going to play the volleyball here. We have football team here. People are going to football match. So lot of this kind of activities we are also organizing here, where people are enjoying when they are out of the duty. So we are keep on doing all this kind of activities. Even Kayonza peoples, there also we used to do some activities in Buganda or some other things. So we are as a Mount Meru, we are always care about the peoples here in Rwanda, here in all the Kayonza, and we are thinking about all the expansion when we are doing, we should do in the Kayonza, because Kigali all the factories are there. Kigali is already developed. Sorry. Kigali is already developed. So if all the factories you will put in Kigali, what will happen? Only one place crowd will be going there. So how these areas will be developed? So we should do expansion on different areas. Somebody should do Kayonza, somebody should do Kiraya, somebody should do Nagatare. So all the peoples everywhere, people will start to development. Otherwise, where the people going to here to Kigali and they will spend lot of money to house rent. How they are going to save? Nothing is going to save. So Kayonza people will work here, living here, working here, they can save the money. So that's way, whole country we have to different locations, we should do the developments. So we are doing in Kayonza, same other way other peoples will do other places. So we are very thankful for all the peoples of all the journalists to you are here to see the how we are doing in Kayonza developments and the factory developments. Thank you.
Yes, I want to ask two questions. One, how do the community benefit from this plant, and how do you get raw materials apart from those who are from out? Which kind of raw material do you consider for local community?
The major thing is communities are benefiting, like we have almost 450 peoples as a permanent. You see, when the factory was started, there was no any trucks in the factory. Right now I am running 67 tankers. 20 trucks I have, distribution trucks. All these drivers we have recruited. Apart from that, we have another flatbed trucks which is coming from Dar es Salaam. They are bringing the goods from outside in the containers. So they are also drivers recruited. We have depots on 30 all districts. So where the girls are sitting there and they are doing the distributions. So all the girls are deputed there. So this way we are giving the jobs, creating the jobs. Who is technical, non-technical? Like drivers, they are technical. Previously I was dependent upon Kenyan tankers. So Kenyan tankers were supplying oil to us. But right now my own tankers is supplying oil to us. 67 tankers we are running. Apart from that, our distribution trucks are running. Okay, distribution trucks, we can say, if I am not supplying, other hiring trucks can do, but that is internal. But tankers I was dependent upon Kenyans. So the fund was going out. So this way we are supporting to the community. You can see non-skilled laborers, what they will do here. They are working here, they are working in jerrycan section, they are working in a stickering, they are doing the plastic sections. So lot of areas you will find the peoples are working, and this is benefiting to the all the Kayonza communities. Apart from that, if you will see, lot of other industries are depend upon us, like carton factory. We are packing our goods in the cartons. So cartons we are taking from it is from Kigali, free zone. Jabbar packaging, another V plus packaging. So these factories are depend upon us. Soya bean seed we are buying. So who is getting benefited? Farmers are getting benefited. They are growing soya bean and we are taking here. So immediately they can get the cash. Apart from selling in a slowly. So this way we are doing it. Apart from that, lot of other small things people are like, I am buying boiler fuels. This is rice husk, rice waste. That is rice mills are there, and that waste people are bringing. Almost 10 people are doing business with us. They are bringing every day one truck, and they are getting the cash. They are bringing sawdust. They are bringing lot of other items which I can use here. So this way it is benefiting to them. Thank you. New product, currently we are doing some plastic items, which is chairs, which is bowls, basins, and some other kind of plates, buckets. So these kind of items, previously it was coming from Kenpoli and Jumbo Plastic Tanzania. Right now we are making ourselves. So we are trying same way we did in the soap plant. All the soap we stopped, and country is using our soap. Same way plastic also we want to do. So country should be self-dependent. No need to import all this kind of items.
And one more question. Kayonza district wants to strategize this location as a logistics area.
Yeah, one way it is supporting us, because our trucks are coming from Kenya. So the Kayonza is coming near to the Kazitumba. Like if it is going to the Kigali, so 100 kilometer going that side and 100 kilometer coming again this side to return back. So that kind of location is very good actually. We are sitting in the center. This side is Tanzania, this side is Uganda, and this side is Kigali. So we are sitting in a good locations, and major thing is people is getting benefited here. If you put the factory in free zone, all people are rich that place. Maximum people are rich. So there is a crowd. Here people are poor. So people is getting benefited here. They are living here, they are working here. If they are getting 150,000, they are keeping in the pocket. But if they will live in the Kigali, they will spend 50,000 for house rent. So they will not save. So that is benefiting. Lot of engineers we are working here. Almost 100 engineers I have who is working, who did in Rwanda University, and another some universities. They did TVTT and some other diploma degree courses. They are working here. They are running our plants. They are running our plastic machines, and we teach lot of people, and they are working now with competitors. So they are getting benefited. Suppose they are not satisfied with my salary, they are going ABC, they are going Reba Journals, they are going in another plastic factory, they are going to cement factory, because they trained here. Every month we are taking the peoples from universities to training here. That is, they are factory training. They used to send their students. I have a lot of performance recommendations from there. The peoples, they are coming here one month and 45 days or 3 weeks or 4 weeks. People are get trained here. So these universities are sending their students.